Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create tags in Notion. It's pretty simple, let's get started. To do this, let's add a new database. With Table View, click Table View and select New Database, which name is Create Tags. We have the name field and the tags field by default. And here we can add any tags, for example, finance, friends, and here, for example, home and ideas. Next, we can choose tags from this list and what to do if you haven't this column in your database. You can create it manually. Click on plus to create a new column and choose, for example, select field or multi-select field if you want to have more than one tag in this field. You can choose any icon and you can rename it, for example, category. Okay, and here we can add new text, for example, projects, entertainment, and other. Here we can choose tags from this list or add another tag. When a new tag is added, the old one will be removed. If you want to change tags, for example, I want to change entertainment to sport, for example, I can make it manually, one by one, or if you have a big database with many rows, you can make it automatically. For this, filter category by entertainment. Next, select all rows with entertainment category and then choose category and add, for example, sport tag. Let's delete the filter and we have rows with sport tag instead entertainment. Or maybe I want to add tag tennis to all rows with sport category. To do this, filter category by sport. Next, select all rows, then choose tags and add here tennis. Create, and we have tennis tag in all lines with sport category. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.